Now question 2. Asifundeni statement, sifunde i-diagram, zama ukuthatha okungala kwi-statement sikufake ngala kwi-diagram. Kuthiwa a force of magnitude F is applied at an angle theta with a horizontal to a box of mass 60 kg placed on the floor. Okusho ukuthi kunebhokisi la elinesindo sa 60 kg. Lelo bhokisi lelo libekwephi? Libekwe phansi straight. So this is the floor. Nali bhokisi. And then kune force of F apply kuyena lo. Ngizama ukumdonsa kanje at an angle theta with the horizontal. Yonke abayisho. With force F applied, the magnitude of the maximum static frictional force between the floor and the box is 140 newtons. Okusho ukuthi static friction le okusho le object ayimove. Sithatha blonde static. Because static friction only exists when the object is not moving. Njengokuthi wena mawuwedwa uzama uphusha imoto. Imoto ngeke izihambe. Why? Imoto iyasinda kunale force ophusha ngayo. Therefore, kune static friction between imoto ekhona eyenza ukuthi inganyakazi as wena uyiphusha. But once wayiphusha nge-force engaphezulu ke-static friction izoqala yenze njani? Izoqala inyakazi. But mayingakanyakazi kuba yini i-static. La isinyakaza khona kuba yini i-kinetic. So in this case they're talking about static frictional force. Okuyini? A force that opposes an object's motion. Kodwa the object sinjani? Stationary. So it opposes the motion of a stationary object. Alright. Kuthiwa U140. Okusho ukuthi Fs max is equal to 140 newtons. The maximum static friction between the floor and the box is 140. The coefficient of static friction, coefficient UK mind, but UK uba 0.3. The applied force does not cause the box to lift off the floor. Okusho ukuthi njengoba bayidonsa at an angle iyayihlehlela nje horizontally ayiphakami ayushi iflow ayibi ngaphezulu iyahuduleka nje njengokuthi mawuhudula imbuzi thama uyidonsa ngentambo leyo mbuzi leyo iqhubeka ihambe phansi awuyidonsi ngentambo izilenge kanje emoyeni angithi ilento eyenzeka kwiboxing nayo bayidonsa iyaqhubeka nje ihamba horizontally as bayidonsa at an angle theta with the horizontal. So sesiyazi ke la ukuthi kahle kahle sine box nje la stationary edonswa i-force F, but static friction sala sikhulu ngale ndlela ukuthi the force does not allow this object to start moving. Which is why kusame kanje. So yonke into esiyaziyo ngale object le ibhalwe ngala. So we don't need the statement anymore. Sina coefficient ibhalile, sina magnitude ye static frictional force ibhalile, sina mass of the object ibhalile. Siyazi ukuthi the force does not cause the object to move. And then siyazi ukuthi kukhona theta no F, it is represented with diagram. So everything sisorted. Asambe siyobheka umbuzo wokuqala. Alright, now umbuzo wokuqala basibuza ukuthi define i-normal force. Yini i-normal force? Abanye abantu nje bavele bazi ukuthi hayi ile force nje level isiqa la makuyikhona i-surface. Alright, yeah. But again, to be specific, i-normal force, it is a force or a component of a force because we incline so it is a force or a component of a force in which the surface exerts on an object in contact with it and which acts perpendicular to the surface. Yona definition yani normal force le. So in normal force uthini? A force or a component of a force in which the surface exerts on an object in contact with it and is perpendicular to the surface. Iyona definition of normal force. I-force whereby i-surface izoyi-exerta kwi-object ethintene nayo, and leyo force leyo i-perpendicular to i-surface. Iyona leyo i-normal force. It is always present uma an object is resting or moving kwi-surface ethize. Asengumbuzo landela. Alright, question 2.2. Draw a free body diagram showing all forces acting on the box. Trust you any free body diagram. Why grade 11 length we has a free body diagram. Ihlukile kune force diagram. I-force diagram ila udweba khona i-object and then mase udweba nama force ezophuma kuyona lo object. Kanti i-free body diagram i-object si representa as i-dots. Alright. Asidwebe i-dots lethu. I-dots lethu. Ilo 60 kg nayo lo use dots. First things first nje esikubonayo. Nawo lo F wethu sangithi siyazi ukuthi kukhona i-normal. Ngithe wena uma i-object idonsa i-force idonsa i-object, i-normal force izolingana nani? Izolingana ne-weight minus minus leyo lokhunjani. Okusho ukuthi i-normal force this time izobe ingaphansi kancane. Yabo? Okusho ukuthi yini engesela? It does not move, but akusho ukuthi ayikho i-force ekhona. Kune static friction esikhona ngala. Eside naso. Why? It does not cause the object to move. Asifakeni ama labels ethu. Sine normal force, sine Fs lana, and then this is just F, and then lo Fg. Yabo? Whereas now, mawumfundo la ekhaya, i-free body diagram yinto yamahala. Why ngisho nje? It is because ama-answer siyawacaphuna ngalokho abasinike khona. Siyawafaka nje ngalanke ngi-format phela. Ayikho into eshintshayo. So this is a free body diagram yani ya 4 kg block. So remember next time uma bekufuna i-free body diagram qala udwebe i-force lo uyibonayo. Yonke lama force owabona ngamehlo akhona even nawo i-original diagram qala ngawo. And then ulandele ngani mawukuthi khona i-surface ubheke ukuthi i-inclined noma i-horizontal. Ma-i-flat nje kanje i-surface uzodweba lapho i-normally nani ne-weight. And then you check here from i-statement ukuthi ikhona ini friction. And then mayikhona uyayi-add, mayingekho ushiya kanjalo. Uzobe usuqedile ngani i-free body diagram yakho. Aseni kumbuzo olandela. Alright, so calculate the magnitude of the normal force when the static frictional force is at its maximum. Static frictional force is at its maximum. Bakutshelile nje ukuthi izobe 140 when it reaches its maximum. Angithi? So already lo part siyayazi coefficient ithini i-formula. I-formula nje ithi Fs max is equals to UK multiplied by normal force. Ile formula yazi ifana la Fk nje. The kinetic frictional force is equal to the coefficient multiplied by normal force. It is just that la maximum static frictional force less. So bafuna ni normal force. So yubani ke ini static maximum frictional force so 140 newtons. And then ini coefficient is 0.3. So to substitute, it is 140 is equal to 0.3 multiplied by the normal force. Yeah, so now we can divide by 0.3 on both sides. Yeah, so if you do that, remember why are we dividing in both sides? In Gobani, it is an equation. So sithola u46.67 46.67 laba bazokhanselana. So the normal force is equals to 46.67 newtons. Okusho ukuthi le i-answer yethu, which is why nje i-3 marks ngobani awusebenzi nje kakhulu. Uthatha nje i-formula and then you solve for the unknown. I-formula ithini? It's Fx max is equals to the coefficient of static friction multiplied by the normal force of lo 60 kg lo. And then sathola ukuthi ke i-Fs max basinikile ukuthi i-140. I-coefficient basinikile ukuthi 0.3. So u-UK no-N benza ndawonye ba-multiplyana. So njengoba be-multiplyana kumele wena wenze njani? U-divide, because the opposite of multiplication is division. Okusho ukuthi sizo-divide on both sides siyithole i-answer. Yabo? That's 46.667. So we are adding it to izinto ezizaziyo ngala. Normal force you 46.67 newtons. So we can carry on manje and move on to the next question. Asibona imibuzo elandelayo. Okay, so for 4 marks we get under question 2. So determine the angle theta for 4 marks, the angle le. Okusho ukuthi kuzomela singene kule triangle le. Siyazi ukuthi unobani no 140 newtons la. Okhona ngithi sino 140 la u-F asimazi, but we can get ini lo y ola ngobani kulingana nani. Remember ukuthi iyadonswa, angithi object la okusho ukuthi mayidonsa ngithe kwena ilingana no FG, angithi minus u-Fy lo ola. Yabo? So okusho ukuthi u-Fy meya ngale kuzosala u-Fg minus normal force la. Yabo? Fg is equal to mg minus the normal force. Mg it is 60 multiplied by 9.8 minus the normal 46.67. So now Fy weight was about 60 times 9.8 minus 46.67. So Fy weight was over 541.33 newtons. One dona Fy weight to the order 541.33 newtons. As you can see, lo na lo u10 ngobani u-opposite over adjacent. Okusho ukuthi 10 theta is equals to 541.33 all over 140. So u-theta ke uzokuba. So remember la usenze njani angithi senze njani sithathe ini i-weight sasusa ini i-normal force kuyona. Angithi i-normal force yethu sithole as bani u-46.67. So manje sho sothi 10 of 33 all over 140. Lapho sithola u 75.50 nje kahle kahle 75.50. Yabo, it is positive. It is positive. Remember ukuthi uma sithi i-answer le kuzomela senze njani, siyi-check ukuthi yenza njani, iyaphuma yini. Okusho ukuthi asicheckeni kuzoba 540.33 and then sithi sine of 75.50. Alright, so buka njengoba sesithole le answer u4 marks wethu lo, yini ke siyenzile? First siqale sathola ini i-y component, sisebenzisani i-normal force le enyuka la kanye kanye ne-weight ela nalo. Uyabona ukuthi laba babili babheke phezulu, okusho ukuthi uzuthole lo kumele uthi lo minus lo ngala. Yabo? Samthola kanjani? Samthola ngokuthi i-weight minus ini u-Fy, okusho ukuthi uma sithi i-weight minus i-normal, i-weight le weight le minus i-normal kuzosala ini u-y weight. And then i-weight since u-mg i-weight sayithola ukuthi izoba ubani izoba 60 multiplied by 9,8. Sathola u588. Besithole kanjani ke i-normal force? Yakhumbula i-normal force besenze njani? Besisebenzise le formula ethi u-Fs max ulingana no-U S dot N. Yakhumbula? Senze njani? Sathi Fs max u140 sawudivide ngobani? Ngo-0,3. Sathola u466 kahle sikhohle 6 la kathi ses reference. Uma u466, that also means should la kuzoba 60 multiplied by u9,8 minus u466,67 kuzophuma u121 sikhohle 6 odd u121,33. Therefore nala kusho ukuthi ku121,33 okusho ukuthi kuyashintsha ke la. Yabo? So kuzoba u-shift 10 121,33 all over u140. Sithola u40,91 degrees. Nayi the answer correct. Yabo, so kubalekile senze sure ukuthi uya-check. Yabo bese siqedile but bese sithi sa-checka i-answer kwi-calculator siyithole right kodwa sayibhala sakhohlwa u6. Lo nto affects ama-calculations ethi alandelayo. But ke uma sesu-add lo 6 osalile, it's not 46,67, it is 466,67. So umehluko mkhulu kabi. So uma sesiyilungisa ke leyo error siyakwazi ukuthola ukuthi u-Fy lo ola ubani 121,33 newtons. Yabo? And then uma sisebenzisa trigonometry lesiyazi because siyazi ukuthi u10 theta ubani u-opposite over adjacent. Omunye uthi O all over A. So if this is theta, u-opposite u-adjacent. Sebenzisa trigonometry ukuze siyithole i-answer yethu. So umbuzo ogcina lo ku question 2. Umbuzo nje ogcina u question 2 sesiwuphendulile wonke. We'll be moving on to question 3. Sambe siyobheka.